This 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 10.6 rear ramp door, NOBO nest rooftop tent is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 13 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, TV, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River No Boundaries NB 10.6 rear ramp door, NOBO nest rooftop tent is 2,006 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.